What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Winter 2020 Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Fabfitfun in this video. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, they are a seasonal subscription box with full-size products from lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and fitness. They deliver to countries like the US, Canada, and the UK, and their mission is to deliver happiness to everyone. Here is what the winter box looks like. It's so cute, and what I love about this is that their mission is to have a light carbon footprint, so they make sure to use 100% craft box and paper that is also recyclable. And every box size is going to be different depending on what your subscription status or what's inside your box. The other thing that I love about Fabfitfun is that they are full-on female empowerment, so many of the products are going to be female supported and made by other female entrepreneurs. So the theme for the winter box this year is sugar, spice, and everything nice. It's gonna have a nice mix of glam, but also cozy for at home. This box is valued at over $200, but when you use my code Orlando, you can get your box for only $39.99. So if you wanna see what's inside of my Fabfitfun box, then just keep watching because we're gonna get right into it. All right, so opening this up, I'm super excited to share with you guys what is in here, what I got, some of my customized picks. So the first thing I'm seeing is this super fuzzy, cozy robe from Summer and Rose. It's a really nice ivory color, and it is just the softest material. I can see myself lounging in this all holiday season and all winter long. And for those of you wondering, this is machine washable, so it's super easy to take care of, but how soft is this? I also love that it has a nice hood on it, and then it also has some cute pockets, as well as a little waist tie to keep it fitted, or you can wear it loose. Okay, so the next thing I'm really excited about, this is from Impressions Vanity Company. This is the Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror light. So this is going to be so perfect to apply your makeup. I have always just had a little mirror sitting on a table in front of the window or like the natural light, so this is going to be really fun. So this can be used with batteries or a USB plug, so that's really nice. There's two different power sources. So let's open this up and see what this is like. Also, not to mention, I noticed this does come with batteries, so you don't have to feel like you need to go pick some up. It already supplies you with them, which is great, and it looks like they are AAA. All right, so that took me all of 3 seconds to set that up. Here's what it looks like, and then when you touch this button here, it lights up. This is gonna be really... I'm so excited to use this now. I have been wanting to get an LED light for my makeup room just to make things easy, especially now that it's darker in the mornings. It just makes my life so much easier to have this instead of using like a ring light or something. I also love that this has a swivel head so you can angle it. Love that. Super easy to turn on and off, and the fact that it's battery operated, it's just gonna look really nice and sleek and chic on your vanity. All right, the next product is something that I'm going to be pretty much living in all winter long, and that is these super adorable Muck Luck booty socks. I can't tell, are these a slipper or a sock because these are super thick. I feel like they're a mix of both. They're really, really thick. They're super fuzzy on the inside. It almost feels like a Sherpa on the inside, and then the outside is a really nice knit. But the best part about this is that they have a really fun grip at the bottom, so don't worry about like slipping and sliding all over the house. But these are definitely something that I'm gonna be wearing all winter long. I love a big fuzzy thick sock. So these, yeah, I think they're kind of almost a slipper instead of a sock, which is really, really nice. I can never have enough slippers. So the next thing in my winter box are these Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So these brighten, hydrate, and depuff. So they're great for jet lag, pre-party prep, if you have any Christmas or holiday parties coming, or just tired and overworked eyes. And I know after the holidays, a lot of us are extremely exhausted. So these are really great. I do love to use eye gels like this before I have an event. Usually the morning of, I'll wake up, I'll wash my face, and then I'll put on some eye gels and let them sit for however long they say. These ones here, I don't know. These ones are for 5 minutes, but you can do longer. So I like to just enjoy them, put them on, drink some coffee, and just relax with my gels before I get ready for the day. So the hero ingredients on these are cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. And there are 4 individually wrapped masks. So I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these for the holidays for sure. Okay, this next item I'm really excited to use because I have been thinking recently that I've been needing this, but for some reason I just haven't went out and got one. And so this is from Below the Belt. It looks like a faux crocodile skin leather, and it's just a nice little card holder and coin holder. So it has it has 3 places to put cards in. So 3 different slots. And then on the back, it has a little pouch for you to put your coins inside of if you have any loose change or what have you. If you grab this box for the holidays, this is a really great stocking stuffer idea for sure. But this is something that I'm really excited to use because, like I said, I've just been really needing a cute card holder. Plus, who doesn't love the red for the holidays? So the next product that is in my winter box is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. So I've actually never used a dry brush on my face for my skincare routine, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. So how you use this brush is in the morning after you've done your skincare routine and you have dry skin, no water on this brush, it's going to ruin it. You're going to just brush it along your dry face, and what it's going to do is basically wake up, depuff your skin, kind of help drain the lymphatic nodes and make everything look refreshed and revitalized in the morning before you do your makeup, or even if you're just doing your no makeup day. I know I have a lot of those. This is just going to make your skin look really nice and refreshed. Using a dry brush on your daily skincare routine is basically like a little workout. It's going to help tone the skin, it's going to help firm it a little bit, and then it's going to also get rid of any dead skin cells that are left behind from the night before, and that's why they have you do it in the morning. So let's go ahead and open this to see what it looks like. This is really soft. It's very gentle. At first when I saw it, I was like, is that going to be rough on my skin? But the bristles are actually super soft, and then it has this really smooth bamboo handle, and this is kind of what the size looks like. But this is something I'm definitely going to try out because, like I said, I've never used one before, but I'm always down to try something new. Okay, moving along, we have in Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. So here is that product. Let's open it to see what it looks like. I don't think I've ever used anything from this brand, but yeah, so just a normal black liquid liner. I like to do a little bit more of glam looks for the holidays, and so I'm always using a lot more liquid liner, doing fun liner looks just like today that I did. So this I'm really interested to try because I've been on that winged liner game lately. So this, it just says to shake well, and let me just kind of get an idea of what the brush looks like. So the brush is a little bit stiffer, so if you like that stiff like felt pen type of brush, that is definitely going to be something that's up your alley. I am typically somebody who likes something like that as well, so I cannot wait to play with this and see how I feel about it. So I feel like I've saved the best product for last, and that is the Dr. Brandt POREDERMABRASION. So what this does is it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans your pores, helps smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. So somebody like me, I have oily skin, which means I have large pores. I'm always looking for something that can help me to reduce the size of them, reduce the oil throughout the day, and that is what this product is going to help do. So it's going to help really get deep into your pores, clear them out, and then hopefully reduce the appearance of them so they're not as noticeable on your face. Because I know especially around here, I get so many pores and they just seem to get so big, and so I need something to help shrink them down a little bit. So here is the size of that bottle, and I just cannot wait to incorporate this into my weekly self-love skincare routine. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you're interested in picking up a winter 2020 FabFitFun box, make sure to go down in the description below for the link and use my code Orlando to get yours for $39.99. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time.